Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we will learn how to make and fold 3D origami pieces. So let's get started. For this tutorial you will need an A4 size paper and a page trimmer, or you can use scissors or a knife for the cutting part as well. Let's get to the folding. We will start by folding the paper in the middle. And unfold. After this fold, we will take each side of the paper and we will fold it to our middle line. After we finish with this part, we will fold our paper to the line on the top, 3/4 of our paper, and we will do it again on the other side as well. Once we finished with that fold, we will fold the edge to the nearest line like this, and on the other side as well. We've now finished folding our vertical lines, and all we've got left to do is folding the horizontal lines, so let's do it. For the horizontal lines, we will fold our paper in the middle just like we did before. And now we will fold each side of the paper to the middle line. That's it for the folding part. As you can see, it's divided to 32. All we've got left is just to cut the paper like this. After we've cut the paper, we will take each piece and we will fold it that way. First we will fold in half like this. And make sure that the open side of the paper is towards you. Now we will fold it in half once again, but in this way. And unfold and flip the paper. This will create a small line in the middle which will guide us how to fold. Now that we've got our middle line, we'll fold each edge of the paper to the middle like this and flip the paper. As you can see, we've got this part at the top, which we will fold to the bottom like this. And flip it once again. We've now got a triangle at each corner, which we will fold in the same way, and then we will insert it in the back like a small pocket. After this fold, we will flip the paper once again and we will finish it by folding it together. And that's it, we've got a 3D origami piece. This step is an optional step, but you can make a larger size pieces as well, so that it will help you to get a better shape for our final piece. You can use the tip of a stylus pen to make this part rounder. Another bonus tip is to stack up 16 pieces together. This is a good way to know that 2 sets like this are one paper, and it will help you counting the pieces for your projects. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!